Hello everyone, good morning. Again, this is Mr. Faisal, and today's lesson we're going to discuss all about breaking apart text and distribute the layers. Now, in order to animate text or to add some special effects, it is important to break apart text. The reason for this is that the text in Flash is treated as a special element from symbols and vector content. Now, these are some steps to break down this text. First, we need to put your text that you want to use, for example. And as you can see, this text is what we call in symbol form. All you have to do is right click the text and from that menu, select break apart. Now, once you break apart this text, this will separate all the different letters into individual spaces, just like this. And of course, once it becomes like that, you can now choose to distribute each letter to a layer. Or you can break it apart even further to become a vector object. And to break apart further, all you have to do is right click on the text and choose break apart again, just like what we did last time. Now, these are the things that can be done from here. One is that we can animate letters using motion tween. Next is break right down and then use a shape tween, and that's the using Ctrl B twice, and anything else that you want to create. For example, you want to animate letters and then change it into another shape, or let your letters move around your stage. So be creative in using this kind of animation. Now, let me give you an example. Let's first type our text in our text tool. So have your Adobe Flash ready and type. You can type your name. Just like here, I used my name. So right after having your name, use Control B or go to modify and then break apart. Now, after breaking the text, drag and select all the broken parts of the text using the selection tool and then go to modify timeline distribute to layers or press Ctrl Shift D. So as you can see, these letters are now distributed in every layer, and from which we can use now how we use animation or motion twin. Let's start with our first letter, F. So as you can see, I put it outside because my objective is from outside. All letters are coming from outside, and then later on it will form my name. So recall how we use animation or especially motion twin. So one by one, as you create your animation, insert new keyframes for each transformation in the timeline. So I will use insert keyframe and then I will put it at the center. So just use the instruction, the steps, and how we create motion twin. So in every letters, focus until you form it at the center of your stage. So do the same with the other letters. So you can see here, I use the playhead to form my name. Remember, the first thing is you should put your text outside, all your text, scattered it, and then as you insert keyframe, move your object one by one to form your name. Once you finish, you can press Ctrl Enter, wherein it will form your name. Make sure it will form your name just like this example. I repeat, our animation is that when we use break apart text, we distribute it into layers, and then in every text, we focus in every text, we put it outside our stage, and as we insert keyframe, we form our name one by one. And then you can add more. For example, after forming your name, create another keyframe that will sustain the letters from there for, let's say, for after 10 frames, and then insert another keyframe and then scattered your name again. Create an animation that will move every letter outside your stage. Remember, you can pause this video for every step. And now I want you to do your activity from your book, page 68 to 69. Follow those instructions and save your work. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to send me some questions in our Schoology and join me in our video conferencing in our Zoom account. Thanks for watching.